In primetime news this evening, Criminal Records Office in downtown Kingston plagued by problems yet again. It's anyone's guess whether it will reopen on Monday. Defense attorneys on the offensive in high-profile corruption case involving former Education Minister Ruel Reid. And another senior cabinet member adds his voice to the legal hot water that has engulfed his former colleague. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Gray.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Milton Walker has our preview. Milton?
Yes, Janella, government has big plans to expand the aviation industry, but none of the aerodromes is currently making money. So how do they reconcile the two issues? We'll tell you more in the Financial Week.
Okay, thanks, Milton. From business we go to sports. Jordan, what's coming up?
Well, Herman, it should be a stroll in the park for the Reggae Boys, but they say they're not taking Aruba lightly as they look for their third consecutive win in League B of the CONCACAF Nations League. Tomorrow, we'll tell you about this and more in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what do you think should be done to help persons who have been waiting for weeks to get criminal records?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.